cars right now. What's going to happen here now? They're running. Car number 33, Neil List. Car number 39, Nick Fraser. Car number 57, Dan Hill. Locked together in the corner and undercount Jeff Dawson and Russ Hill. Car number 57, he's laboring, Dad. There's 2 guys. We could be down to 2 cars. He's down his tires right off of the car. We're going again. Neil ripped in it down, but he's out of there. Got a flat tire in car number 39 now. Getting down to the further part of this race. Car number 33, Neil Riss, still running well.
They're done. She won.
Okay, and we're off game. That was the warning. 2 cars, number 57 and 39 under count. Neil Riss, doing well. Okay, everybody under heat. Car number 33, Neil Riss. Could be his heat. Car number 39 has been counted out, Colin. Just gonna let Colin let us know what's happening here. All right, car number 33, your winner, Heat 1. Here we go, now let's tackle Rod Bruner now. Let's see what they can do. Car number 19 starting off a little slow. What's there he got you? There he is, just looking for a good snack and a good shot. Here we go. Car number 411, around he comes. Where is he going? Car number 192, Jeff Grant, out of Burlington. He's got her going there, boys. Let's see what Doug's going to do. There's the start car, Tim Sigma, number 21. Time to dispatch, all right, I can see that. Doug Grant working on a front tire there. Got the fender all hooked up. There he is. Oh, yeah. We're going now. Derek Murphy seems to have some trouble though. I'm not sure whether Derek that had the water and gasoline. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Oh, that's a miss! That could have hurt. Yeah, I'm pretty sure car 19 had a little bit of extra water in the gasoline. So he's having a bit of trouble with her, but it seems to be leveling out as the night goes on. Car number 192 in the middle of the track, but he's unhooked now, and around he comes. Dropping car 19 out of the way, 192 backing up. All right. Car number 411 under count. Car number 21, the King, struggling to keep it running a while. Car number 91, private smart race, that's Cliff Ashley. Here comes Cliff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Car number 21, good hit there by Cliff Ashley. Here comes car 19, Derek Murphy. Well, that 4 cars out there working well. 19, having trouble. Oh, he's got one wheel up and over. Can he come back? Yeah, here he comes. Oh, he saw the aim. Oh, yeah. Car number 19 is up there. Okay. Car number 192 working on 19. Here comes 21. Oh. He's back down out of there, folks. Oh, yeah. Now that's something we don't like to see. Digs a good shot there from car number 19. And 192 returns the favor. Cliff Ashley got his work cut out for him. There's 192, now in car number 19. Looks like 192's under count. He's trying to start. There's a little black smoke roll, and he's going to get her. Here he comes. going to put her out.
What is he going to use?
There we go. Nothing over. We're down to 3 cars, folks.
All the lights are on because of the back. Overheat, oil, generator.
Check everything.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 192 takes second place. Car number 21 fifth place. Carlton, what are you doing? Here they come. Wilson's beyond right. He's having fun out there driving car number 8. All the way from Scarborough. Oh yeah, he's taking a hold. Wilson, some people say it's fun out. You're having fun with it. How is that? Car number 76, roll up to the driver's door. Next to the fire extinguisher. Oh yeah, they're not treating car number 123 very well out there. That's David Knapp at Uxbridge. Fire back up, Dave. Dave's going. Here he is, car number 12, front wheel drive Buick. Oh yeah, it behaves all on its own different. Nope, got her back down off the rock. Oh yeah, on the brake, but out to the bottom. Come on, I love it. Yamaha has a driving requirement partner as an interior light. That doesn't stand out much, though. Oh yeah, nobody giving any quarter out here at all. Here comes the bus. Uh-oh, car number 8. Look at that car number 12. Now that's a little Buick Sabre, front wheel drive, G6, and he's doing just fine, thank you. Car number 76, we're out walking across the center of the track. That little hit was the tire going down. Looks like he's got the under the headlight on still. watching it too. Interesting, we're watching the lights under the hood there. With that red car, I think it's 21. Oh yeah. What's going on here? Car number 76 trying to get back in. Looks like car 76 is now in between 12 and 21. There it is, 12 disqualified, 76 disqualified, 21 disqualified. It could be down to 44 and 123 here. 44 is the one that's running. Could be your winner. He's the one with the tires spinning. Sort of. Oh yeah. Car number 411. You gotta be careful. Oh yeah. Car number 12. That was just a lap there. That's Billy White from Dog Farm Billy. Car number 19, being cautious. What's he doing? Watch that 19 car. It's a big, heavy car. Car number 39 as well. Car number 411 has got one flat on the right front or left front. Oh yeah. Car number 19 running well. Coming his way with Billy Kern. Car number 19, Gary Kirk, Gallagher. Oh yeah, what's going to happen now? Uh-oh. There's a flat tire on the car number 12. Car number 411 could be hung on 12. Could be down to 2 cars. No, there's still 3 out there moving. Car number 12 trying. Go to 411 and that's 3. That's the example of 3 what we got. Uh-oh, car number 12 takes another hit and another one. Car number 19 is still in the middle of the track. Car number 39 doing the same. Oh yeah. Car number 39 trying to restart and regroup. That's Neil Gager at Oshawa. You gotta do it. Still got 5 cars out here running. Car number 39, he's trying to get her going. What's he gonna do now? Gary Murphy out of Callahan, got it dialed in well finally. Gonna have to watch 76 close there, Gary. Yeah. The 411 car, what's keeping that going? What's keeping the car going? Now you watch the 19 car, you see a little bit of flame on the car. Here it comes. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The 12 car, he can't put in that gate, he's got less dirty tonight. Oh yeah. There's the 39 car coming out. Are we down to 2 cars yet? There's 19 started. Can you come out of there? We're looking for the top 2 cars. And the car under count, if I understand it, is car number 12. Okay, there it is. Gentlemen, we're going to have a 15-minute intermission to give driver of car number 19, Derek Murphy, and driver of car number 39, Neil Frazier. Okay, nice little down tap. Now, anything goes. There goes the tire right early in the race. Derek Murphy losing his back right, as well as the flat front right. That's going to slow Derek down pretty badly. Derek's got to know what's going on. Derek's back there, right in the back, Corey Martin. Oh, yeah. Corey Martin down the mud, out he comes. They were hooking her off. Oh yeah, this is good, devilish dirty, folks. Lots of cars heading out in trouble there. Car number 39, a whole bunch of flat tires. That's the little lift of that Fairmont. He's still moving though. Corey Watterson, he's